just got this stuff called ScreenKlean, and I'm going to try it out. I am kind of a clean fanatic, you know, and I am constantly cleaning stuff at home and cleaning my screen, cleaning all kinds of glass stuff, and it drives me nuts if it's not clean. So here we go. Taking this apart. Pretty simple. There's nothing else to do except obviously go back and forth on this thing. So already I'm seeing it disappear. There go my prints. Oh my goodness. Wow. Just one pass and it works. What can I tell you? This is really what they said it would do, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, I've tried various things. I mean, microfiber, you know, enhanced with something, but you know, I'm always concerned about what it's going to do to my screen too. You know, this seems very soft, and you know, they tell you never use, you know, watery stuff because, you know, something weird might happen to your, gets into your technology, then you're really in trouble. So, you know, I like the idea that it's dry and you know, it's compact, and again, it does exactly what it says it's going to do. So what could be better than that?